What's up, guys? My name is Zach Sadui, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about how I generate on average $5.3 thousand a month through passive income. Before I start though, I want to let you guys know about a giveaway I'm hosting. I'm giving away $1,000 to one random subscriber and $2,000 to another 5 random subscribers. In order to enter, all you have to do is subscribe and DM me saying Wolf. Just write out the word Wolf and DM me that. Prizes will be given once I reach 5,000 subscribers, and I'm doing this in an attempt to kickstart my YouTube channel because I feel like I have very valuable content to share and I want to increase my reach. With that being said, let's begin. There are two types of passive incomes: the ones you buy and the ones you create. The ones you buy consist of dividend stocks, renting real estate, etc. And the ones you create consist of businesses, courses, content, etc. I use both types, but generally passive income streams that you can buy cost more money, and streams that you create take more work in the beginning. The first passive income stream I'm going to talk about is dividend stocks. To give a brief overview of what a dividend is, it's basically a reward companies give their shareholders for being a part of the company, because when you own a share of stock, you are basically part owner of the business. There are two types of dividends. The first one is a regular dividend. These are dividends that a company generally expects to pay consistently over time as part of their recurring earnings. Most companies try to pay a regular dividend that they know they'll be able to pay in both good years and bad years. Regular dividends are typically paid quarterly, which is once every 3 months. The second type of dividend is special dividends. These are dividends that you can consider one-off payments. A company might pay a special dividend after a string of highly profitable quarters. In some cases, the company will pay a special dividend because it sold off some assets and doesn't have an immediate use for the money. Some companies also pay special dividends because they have simply accumulated cash over time that the business does not need to sustain its operations. Companies often announce special dividends to tell the market that they plan to send cash to shareholders, but that shareholders should not expect the dividend to be a recurring event. I tend to invest in companies that offer regular dividends because they are more consistent, and it's nice to know that at the end of every quarter I'm getting paid. The next passive income stream I'm going to discuss is starting a small business that doesn't need you to actively manage it. In my opinion, the best route to take for this is e-commerce. It is the simplest and cheapest way to start a profitable business, and there are several business models you can tackle in e-commerce. However, the best one for passive income is dropshipping. Dropshipping is basically selling products that you don't own. When a customer purchases the products from you, you simply order it from somewhere else for cheaper and then ship it directly to your customer. It is basically retail arbitrage. However, it is very scalable if you know what you're doing. 3 things you want to focus when creating a dropshipping company is: number 1, finding products that are in demand and profitable. This can be very difficult, but with the right tools, it can also be super achievable. I discuss this in my Find the Hottest Shopify Dropshipping Products course on Udemy. I'll link it in the description below. Number 2 is marketing. This is key in dropshipping. Without proper marketing, you will never succeed in this racket. Luckily, there are several in-depth tutorials for all types of marketing, such as Facebook and YouTube ads. Number 3 is automation. Once you have the first and second step done, this shouldn't be too hard, but it is crucial to automate your dropshipping business in order to make it passive income. The third passive income stream I'm going to discuss is creating an online course. This can be done through several teaching platforms such as Udemy and Teachable, or you can create a course through your own website. If you're just starting out and don't have a following or customers, then I recommend using a teaching platform in order to get recognition, because they will market for you in exchange for a percentage of your earnings. However, if you do have a following on any type of social media or have previous customers, then you should definitely consider creating your own your own website for the course in order to maximize your profits. An online course is a great way of making passive income, because all you have to do is make the course once, and if it's good and attracts customers, it will continually earn income from buyers. The only thing you may need to worry about is marketing. However, that can be easily automated. I recommend choosing a topic that you're experienced in for your course in order to offer your buyers information that they can't easily find anywhere else. This way they will leave good reviews or recommend it to their social groups, which will in turn increase your credibility. Once you begin to gain some credibility, your personal brand will begin to exponentially grow, and you can start making more courses to increase your profits. Currently, I use Udemy for my business, Shopify, and programming courses, and have found it to be a great way to earn passive income. The fourth passive income stream I'm going to discuss is Amazon Affiliates Program. For this business, you're going to need either a following or marketing skills. Amazon Affiliates is basically a program where you link products to your Amazon account, and if others buy them, you get 3% to 8% depending on the product and the amount. This can be a super passive income stream if done right, because you literally don't have to do anything at all. You don't have to ship any product, you don't have to create any content. All you do is lead people to products and Amazon, and if they buy, you earn money. The crazy thing about this program is that they don't even have to buy the product you recommended them. You will earn a percentage of any product they buy on Amazon within 24 hours of their initial visit. So if you link someone to a book in Amazon and they don't buy it and end up buying a microwave 12 hours later, you're still going to get a percentage of that microwave purchase, which may even be more than if they had just bought the book. You can see how simple and effective this passive income stream can be. All you have to do is try to get as many people to check something out on Amazon as you can, and a percentage of those people are bound to purchase something within 24 hours, considering Amazon is the most commonly used marketplace on the internet. I've found Amazon affiliates to be a very simple and effective source for passive income. This one time, a few months ago, I had a tweet go viral, and in the tweet I linked an Amazon product. And this link ended up earning me a decent paycheck without doing literally anything. Now the last one I'm going to discuss is rental real estate. This one is pretty self-explanatory, but to give an overview, rental real estate is basically purchasing a property and renting it out for a profit. This is the most common type of passive income and is definitely super effective if you know what you're doing. The only problem is that it takes a large initial investment in order to purchase a property. However, there are ways around this. For example, leveraging a loan to buy it and pay it back with the money you make from rent. This way you can minimize your initial investment, and it's even possible to profit monthly if you're renting it out for more than what you're paying towards the loan. I currently own one property and rent it out. It makes me a decent passive income and requires virtually no work besides upkeeping the place and maintenance. Passive income might sound easy because the word passive is involved, but in fact it either takes a lot of work up front to get, or it takes a lot of studying and preparation. And even then, it still usually takes some monitoring. But if you're trying to get multiple streams of income, and I recommend that you do, you will find it difficult to do if you already have one job unless you seek passive income streams. You only have so much time in the day, so if you're selling your time for money, like most jobs require, then you have a cap on how much you make. Instead, if you focus on increasing your passive income at all times, even if it's just a little bit at a time, then you will see a huge results if you remain consistent and patient. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, please like this video, and comment below any things that you want to ask or any questions.